Alright, you see, we decided to come down to San Diego on the day of the quiet zone. As you can see, the sign right here says no train horn, and I can't do the horn signal because it's a quiet zone. As you can see, right there, right next to that gate.
CP Ash.
Yeah, as you can see, there are 5 tracks. Good, let's see.
Hold it steady. You don't have a tripod, so you gotta hold it steady.
What inch is this? What inch is this? 454. Is this 454? Yep, it is 454. Trolley over here too. As you can see, there's a 2-car Green Line Trolley. No train. And 6905. As you can see, there's a northbound coaster right over there. Let's see. 2101 and 6905. Those are some great trains. Alright, YouTube, here comes the Southbound Green Line Trolley. As you can see, we are located on the end of the platform. And what car is this? 4005 and 4040. Woohoo! Yeah, great train there goes all the way south into the station. What a train! Alright, YouTube, we came down to San Diego during the quiet zone. Here comes the northbound coaster out of coaster out of here. I think this is 201.
Stop right here.
I think this is 201, is it? Yep, it is 201. There goes 201. Hold me from the sky.
Can't honk, but he can wave.
Woo! Woo! 2510. 2303. And here goes cab car 2303. Woohoo! Wow. Well, great train there. It goes all the way north to Oceanside. Alright, YouTube, here comes a Green Line Trolley. Right through here. Cars 4019, 4000, and 4015. Oh, great. Well, great train there goes all the way south to the 12th and Imperial Transit Center. Alright, you see, here comes the same Amtrak as last time out of Santa Fe Depot. What camper is this? 6905. Here comes the Green Line Trolley. going north to Goleta. Alrighty, too, here comes the Southbound Green Line Trolley about to come into Santa Fe Depot. Let's see, car 4023 and 4009. Woo! Woohoo! There it is. Well, great train there. We'll slowly ride into Santa Fe Depot.